Today we are fixing the toilet. It has a problem of overflowing. This toilet is a Toto 1.6 gallons per flush toilet, and we will be fixing the fill valve today. We have removed the cover off the tank of the toilet, and there are basically two problems with the toilet. If the water is overflowing, it usually means that the fill valve is here that needs to be replaced. Or if the water level is too low, it means that the flopper on the bottom of the tank needs to be replaced. The first step to fixing the toilet is to turn off the water valve at the bottom of the toilet. We can see down here, we will turn this valve off position and then flush the toilet. To remove all the water out of the toilet. It is a good idea to have a pan and a sponge handy so that we can take all the water out of the bottom of the tank so that it will not drain later. After all the water has been drained out of the tank, we can then go and remove the hose, the inlet hose here. We'll take this piece and turn it counterclockwise, remove this, and remove the plastic nut on the bottom of the fill valve. We'll take that off. Once the nut has been taken off the bottom of the fill valve, we can extract it from the tank, and this is what it looks like. And here is the nut from the bottom of the fill valve. We will be replacing it with a Fluid Master. This is a new Fluid Master fill valve. Like this. Here's the picture. We will insert that into the tank and connect it. The fluid valve, the new one, is in the tank. We have connected on the bottom. We will turn on the screw on the bottom of the tank to hold it in place. And as you can see, we have connected the hose, the hose that will fill the toilet, and the clip over here. As you can see on the bottom of the tank, we have reconnected the nut on the top, which holds the fill valve in place. Just hand tighten it. Don't use excessive force to tighten it. And we have connected the hose, the supply hose, to the bottom of the fill valve here. And we are ready to turn on the water. So everything is connected, and we can turn on the water to fill the tank. As you can see, there is a water line mark on the pipe which shows the proper height of the water. And we have adjusted the screw on the float to meet that requirement. You can turn it left or right and it will adjust the float up and down on that fill valve pipe. So there we have it, complete and done, and it's not overflowing.